Right, we're going to dive in and see how we play Messy in Heaven on the acoustic guitar. So we're basing this around 3 chords. We've got our A minor, C major and F. And there's a passing E minor as well. So we're going to look at the chords in a second. What we're going to do first of all is try and play it to the original the best we can. So we want to make it sound exactly the same. And for that, we're not going to go in the first position. We're going to be working on the 5th fret to start with. So we've got our A minor shape on the 5th fret. For that, you need your 2nd finger on the 5th fret of the 6th string. You need your 3rd finger on the 5th fret of the 3rd string. And we're going to pluck those strings together. It should sound like this. Now remember, it's all standard tuning and we haven't got a capo. So that's our first A minor. And what I'm doing, I'm just plucking with my thumb and my 2nd finger over the sound hole. So that forms your first chord. Okay, so we're moving to our 2nd chord now, which actually is C major shape, but we're going to play it up on the 8th fret. So we're going to shift that position that we've got here, and we're going to shift it up to the 8th fret, which is the one past the first dot, just here. So you've got a dot there, and a dot there. So we're just going to move up to the 8th. And we're going to put our 3rd finger on the 9th fret. So we're just going to slip it one more. The 2nd finger staying on the 8th fret, the 6th string, but the 3rd finger is going to the 9th fret of the 3rd string. And that should sound like this. And again, I'm plucking with my thumb and my 2nd finger. So we've got and again. And then the next chord is an E minor, and it's really simple because we're just going to do it open string. We're going to go 6th string and 3rd string, and we pluck it together again. So that's a bit quicker, that transition from the C to the E minor. Next chord is our F major, but we're playing our F major. 2nd finger is on the 1st fret of the 6th string, and then our 3rd finger is on the 2nd fret of the 3rd string. Should sound like that. So all together. Now, the difference the second time we play it is that we're not going to the C major, we're going to the F first, and then we're going to those open E and G string, the E minor, back to the A minor. So, F, E minor, back to the A minor. That's the second time round. So let's play it together. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Messy in heaven, and gets a little messy in heaven. So that, in essence, is the chords that you need to know. So if you want to play it as a sort of chords rather than just those sort of finger positions up and down the fret, up and down the neck, sorry, you want to be knowing how you play your A minor, C major, E minor, and F major. So if we play these as chords, we go A minor, to the C, E minor, F, to the F, E minor, to C, F, gets a little messy in heaven. And again, I'm just making sure that I'm keeping time. I'm actually stamping my foot, tapping my foot as I play. So our A minor, if you don't know your A minor, it is 1st finger, 1st fret, 2nd string, Second finger, second fret, fourth string, and then our third finger is tucked into that second finger on the third string of the second fret. Should sound like this. So you can strum it, you can pluck it, you can do what you want. If you've got a plectrum, you can strum it as well. So C major. So the C major is our next chord, and it's really simple. All you're doing is you're taking off your third finger from the A minor and putting it on the third fret of the fifth string. So Jesus did on his night. Okay, so those are quick transitions, those chords. So you've got A minor to the C, E minor, then F. And the F is really quite a tricky chord if you're a beginner, because you need a lot of pressure on that first fret. So let's have a look at E minor first of all. So our E minor is second finger, second fret, fifth string, third finger, second fret, fourth string, and we're playing all 6 strings. Should sound like that. And then the F is we're barring. You could play it as a power chord if you want, or you can play it as a proper F chord, which is barring all of fret 1 with your first finger. You're putting your second finger on the third string of the second fret, third finger on the third fret of the fifth string, and then your pinky finger underneath your third string, third finger on the third fret of the fourth string. It should sound like this. If you want to learn how to play that in a bit more detail, make sure that you follow the tabs below or find the video. In fact, I'll put the video in the description below for F major, how to play F major. So those are your chords. There you go, really quite simple to play if you know your chords. Follow the tutorial, and like always, play along with the song if you can. That's a good reference point and you'll learn it a lot quicker. Right, thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you again very soon. Goodbye.